Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ansuvan Matthew and I'm a registered pharmacist. June 14th is observed as the World Blood Donor Day. The World Blood Donor Day aims to raise awareness regarding the need for regular blood donations. Every few seconds, someone somewhere needs blood. Transfusion of blood and blood products save millions of lives every year. Health is a human right, and everyone in the world should have the access to safe blood transfusions when and where they need them. Regular blood donations are needed all over the world to ensure individuals and communities have access to safe and quality assured blood and blood products. So, access to safe blood and blood products are essential for universal health coverage and a key component of effective health system. Blood donations are needed all over the world to ensure individuals and communities have access to safe and quality assured blood and blood products in both normal and emergency situations. The need for safe blood is universal. Safe blood is critical both for treatments and urgent interventions. It can help patients suffering from life-threatening conditions live longer and with a higher quality of life and supports complex medical and surgical procedures. Blood is also vital for treating the wounded during emergencies of all kinds, be it natural disasters or accidents, and they also have an essential life-saving role in maternal and neonatal care. But access to safe blood is still a privilege of the few. Most low and middle income countries struggle to make safe blood available because donations are low and equipment to test blood is scarce. Globally, 42% of blood is collected in high income countries, which are home to only 16% of the world's population. An adequate supply of safe blood can only be assured through regular donations by voluntary unpaid donors. Blood and blood products are essential to care for women with pregnancy and childbirth associated bleeding, children with severe anemia, patients with blood and bone marrow disorders, inherited disorders of hemoglobin and immune deficiency conditions, people with traumatic injuries in emergencies, disasters, and accidents, and also patients undergoing advanced medical and surgical procedures. Most people can give blood if they are in good health. There are some basic requirements one needs to fulfill in order to become a blood donor. So the basic eligibility guidelines include: the first one is age. You should be aged between 18 and 65. The next one is weight, like you should weigh at least 50 kg. And the next important parameter is regarding the health. You must be in good health at the time you donate. Like you cannot donate if you have a cold or flu or sore throat or any other form of infection. And if you have recently had a tattoo or body piercing, you cannot donate for 6 months from the date of the procedure. You must not donate blood if you do not meet the minimum hemoglobin level for blood donation. A hemoglobin level of not less than 12 gram per dl for females and not less than 13 gram per dl for males as the threshold. You must not give blood if you engaged in at-risk sexual activity in the past 12 months. And the individual with a positive test for HIV, that's a AIDS virus, will be permanently deferred from blood donation. So the World Blood Donor Day is observed to raise a wider awareness of the urgent need to increase the availability of safe blood for use wherever and whenever it is needed to save life. And also to thank individuals who donate blood and encourage more people to start blood donation. So everyone, commit to being a regular donor and give blood throughout the year. Encourage your friends and family to become regular blood donors. Volunteer with the blood service to reach out to the members of your community and provide care to donors and help manage blood donation sessions. Find out your blood type and register as a blood donor. And also participate in the World Blood Donor Day with your social networks. So if you're eligible to donate blood, you only need to dedicate about an hour of your day to this life-saving process. If you either can't donate blood or can't find the time, spreading the word about the importance of the World Blood Donor Day can be hugely impactful. Tell your friends, family, colleagues and social media followers how important blood donations are. Many people are unaware of how easy the process is, so word of mouth is incredibly helpful in inspiring the future blood donors. The theme for World Blood Donor Day 2020 is Save Blood, Saves Lives. So give blood and make the world a healthier place. Countless lives are saved every day due to the generous donors who give their own blood for the benefit of others. Life is precious and so is being a lifesaver.